Okay, so now we're going to set up a simple working system for an SRT using the gear that we would normally have. So here I've got my hitch, which I've used on the Ascent, taken off my footlock prusik, but I'm going to use it again. Basically, I'm going to work off of a gree-gree here. I found this to be one of the nicest uses for the gree-gree. And this is the old gree-gree. Have not used it on the gree-gree 2 yet. We'll just set this in line below. And this will be our tie-in. And I am using it on 1/2 inch here. And we'll go ahead and we'll move our hitch up now. Our hitch is going to become a part of this. We'll go ahead and get into my gree-gree here. Now all you need here is basically an extra micro pulley or two, and you could technically get by without it. You probably see where I'm going with this, but if I take the tail, the running end, and stick it into my carabiner here, voila, I've got a 3-to-1 system, which provides almost a perfect amount of friction to run the gree-gree much better. And I can set this a little higher. The drawback to this, of course, is that now I'm going to use up 3 times the rope. So I'd like to have the option to bring this with me. So what I'm going to do, since I happen to have an extra micro pulley, is install this in line above my hitch. Like so. I'll grab my footlock prusik and pull it out of here. Now if I'm really wanting to go gear-less, I can take the large bite, the large eye of my footlock prusik and just hook it down into my saddle, basically in any spot that I want. Although I have a carabiner still down here, so we'll just hook the carabiner in. And that'll attach to my saddle. Put down here on my saddle. And then the other end here will just attach right up here. And now this will follow me, the whole system will follow me as I work the tree. Set that right up to the top. Voila. And there we go, there's my system. You'll see it's connected right here. Perfect. So now I've got a 3-to-1 system, and again, this makes the gree-gree very smooth. So I'll go ahead and tighten it up a bit, weight the system, and we'll give her a go. Okay, so here's our system. The hitch climber with my hitch, pretty much exactly as it was to begin with. And then I've got the gree-gree set up in line. Now I can use my carabiner alone here, or if I really want to make it smoother, I can incorporate another pulley. I'll use the big CMI. The big pulley's kind of nice. Just put that in place. Like so. There we go. I like them apples. So let's see how this follows me down. Got my gree-gree here. By this branch here. The gree-gree, you lose a lot of the jerkiness that was sort of the norm for the gree-gree here. So alright, now I'm a little clear of some of the branches, so I'll probably do this again. So I can use the other end of my hand to control the gree-gree. Now the system's starting to work for me. I'm going to go ahead and put the camera back up. You'll see the system up there. Now as I start to descend, the whole thing's coming with me. All it's doing is providing that little bit of extra friction to keep the gree-gree from jerking around too much. Recall the gree-gree is kind of a standalone self-belay device, so I could be fully in the system. Everything here on this end is completely secondary to the security of this system. It simply makes it work a little bit better. Okay, well, let's go ahead and ride this descent down. Try to adjust the camera. Watch all the way up. There we go.